Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Örgücü Şirin. I have good news for you. I know you are always asking for me English tutorials, and now I have another channel, an English tutorial channel, Sirin's Crochet. Please subscribe and give your support to me. In this channel, I will share some of my Turkish tutorials in English, and I will share some other tutorials in English, of course. And sorry for my English. I will share jumpers, cardigans, sweaters, or bookmarks like this, some motifs, and baby things like this and this. As you see, you can write comments about the models I share or you want, and please subscribe and give me the support, and I will share with you wonderful things. I know this. I hope you like my videos, and I hope to see you again. Have a good day.